I didn't realize how bad my bread pans were until I bought new ones, and just in time for a bread restock. My old pans were at least 15 years old and definitely showing it after years of constant use. I had made sandwich bread, hoagie rolls, and hamburger buns. I even made some bagels but forgot to film that, so my bad. I still need to make hot dog buns too, but that'll be another day. In the middle of kneading and shaping, I always laugh because I'm convinced loving Play-Doh as a kid actually prepared me for this. I used to sit there making little hamburger buns with my McDonald's playset, and now look at me. One of the reasons I love making our bread at home is just for peace of mind. With a lot of research coming out about what's in our food these days, it's good knowing exactly what's going into something we eat so often. With storing the bread, I flash freeze for about 1 to 2 hours, then vacuum seal. I used to think homemade bread wouldn't freeze well, but honestly it holds up better than store-bought in my opinion. It's nice having bread ready to go. Although my husband seems to think Texas Roadhouse rolls should go with every meal, and honestly I can't fully disagree, which is why we always keep that cinnamon honey butter on hand.